Getting the garden done. Hopefully by the end of the month we'll get the vegetables in. A lot of work. Lots of work. Everybody wants all this land and dreams of being self-sufficient. Well, unless you're willing to put the hard work into it, it's not going to happen. Got the wheels on the coop. Now I can move the babies around. Hi, little girls. But, ugh, stepped in mud. It's been raining here for days and days. The river's really high. That one right there, I believe it's a rooster. So, sure looks like a rooster to me. Well, I needed a rooster anyway because mine got eaten by something. Go over here and see the big girls picking for bugs. Hi, girls. There's a couple of yous missing. See, we have chickens, they have a pecking order. And we don't have a rooster. Oh man, it's like a mud bath in here. Jesus. Look at this. Swamp. Well, what I'm saying is when you don't have a rooster, ow, ow, cold. One of them will act as a rooster and it'll claim dominance over all the other chickens, pluck their feathers off, and it'll even try to mate with the other chickens, believe it or not. Look where they're laying the eggs. They'll all be. I scratched all this up. I wanted to use that for my garden. Oh boy, oh boy. Boy, look at all the water still coming. It's like a flood back here. Trying to figure out which way the water is coming from. Oh, okay. I see where it's coming from. Never mind. My chicken coop. A little run. Go back here and check for snakes and stuff. Oh, see what I told you? It's dominating the other one, acting like a rooster. What is going on in here? Huh? Look how bad that poor chicken's feathers are plucked. Oh, you poor baby. You're all down the bone. You poor thing. So the lilacs are blooming. And they smell really, really good. Almost like a honeysuckle. Waiting for these to bloom. Big irises. Hey, sit. Right now. Down. Stay. Quiet. See that work? Clematis, they're not bloomed yet. They're beautiful when they bloom. I got these little flowers on them when they bloom. They're beautiful. These aren't bloomed yet. Called Prince Edward Phlox, I believe. Daylilies. They're not bloomed, too early. And this here is a trumpet vine. That's not bloomed yet either. And that's ground covered creeping phlox. Let's see how the these aren't ready yet. What is the name of these? Every time I know it, and every time I come over here I forget. I'll remember it. Some pretty irises. These are little small ones, but I love those. There's the catnip. It's growing pretty good. It's huge. It's like a giant bush now. It's my purple lilac bush. It's huge. It was just a little sprig when I put it in. It smells so good. Love the smell of it. It's just a little bush. This is a wisteria vine. Trying to grow it into a tree. Supposedly if you keep trimming it, tying it, and eventually the stem will turn into a tree. I don't know, I'll probably be dead by then. Let's see if we have any little birdies in the hole. Let's check it out. The eastern bluebird. Nope, nothing in that one. I had a bluebird on my window. Go over here and see if I got any. Oh, yes I do. I don't know what it is, but it's cute. Can you see it? Well, I don't really want to open it up. It looks like a finch. I'm going to open it. Just hope she doesn't attack me. Just checking on your mama. Okay? Oh, it's an Easter bluebird. It is. It's a female. She's so pretty. It's alright, Mom. I'll let you go. Get out of there. There's a baby in there. It just hatched today. Look how small it is. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, is it cute. Alright, I'll let you go.